friends, I'm Raj. In this video I'm going to show you how to get train from Blacktown to Sydney International Airport. So when I came, they cancelled the train service from Central to Sydney International Airport. So I was catching the bus. So you will see as a two-part. The first one is from Blacktown to Central by train, and the second part is catching a bus from Central to Sydney International Airport. Usually platform 4 and 5 is faster trains to City Circle and to the airport. So to go to airport, go to Central first from Blacktown. Usually platform 4 and 5 is faster. If you go to platform 2, it's a bit slower trains. A train stopping at only 3 stops. It's coming. It's Sunday, so the train is empty. No trains to the airport station, so I have to catch buses. So they have given notice very clearly, train replacement buses. Exit to Eddy Avenue. You can see the signs very clearly. It says towards Sydney Airport stations, train replacement buses. So just following the signs. So I have to cross the track. So stand D goes to International Airport. International stand D. Just arrived. Bus stop just in front of McDonald's inside the airport. Can you see the McDonald's sign? If you are going back to city or Blacktown, the station is here. But today the bus is replacing, so just go out here, that's it. It's very easy. Getting in and out of airport. At 9, I was in Blacktown station, and at 10, I reached the airport in 1 hour.